Hey you! You know those meals that somehow disappear before everyone's even sat down? The ones where people go quiet for the first few bites, then immediately ask, wait, what's in this? This is one of those recipes. Creamy coconut milk, warm curry spices, soft chickpeas soaking up all that flavor, and the best part, it comes together in about 10 minutes using mostly pantry ingredients. This is the kind of meal you make for your friends on a rainy night, family after a long day, or yourself when you want something comforting that still feels special. So here's what you'll need. A little oil, 1 small onion, a couple cloves of garlic, and ginger, curry paste or curry powder, 2 cans of chickpeas, 1 can of coconut milk, some spinach, simple stuff. But together, this recipe is incredible. Start by heating a pan over medium heat. Add your oil, onion, and a pinch of salt. Cook until the onions soften and then start turning slightly golden. Then add the garlic, curry powder, and ginger. The second those spices hit the pan, your kitchen starts smelling amazing. Warm, toasted, comforting. Now wash and add your chickpeas and stir everything together so they get coated in all of that flavor. Pour in the coconut milk and bring everything to a gentle simmer. This is where the magic happens. The coconut milk turns silky and rich while the chickpeas soak up all those spices. Let it bubble for a few minutes until it thickens slightly. Now, cut and fold in your spinach. It'll wilt down almost immediately. Finish with a little salt and maybe a squeeze of lime juice if you want some brightness. Add cilantro, chili flakes, extra curry powder. Make it yours. And just like that, dinner's done. The chickpeas bring protein and fiber. The spinach adds vitamins like A, K, and folate. And the coconut milk gives the whole thing this rich, comforting texture that tastes way more complicated than it is. Serve it over rice, scoop it up with a flatbread, or honestly, just eat it straight out the bowl. No wrong answers here. This is the kind of recipe that makes cooking fun. Low effort, big reward. So make it for yourself, make it for your friends, make a huge batch, and pretend you planned dinner all along. We'll see you in the next one.